How to undertake stock sales and stock draw in store. The difference between stock sales and stock draw is in stock draw we are drawing items without any profit for internal use. In case of stock sales, items are sold with profit. To undertake stock sales, click School Store. Click Store Sales. Select the date of sale. Select student, staff or others. Select name. Select an item. Enter the quantity. Click the green plus button. Total amount to be paid will be displayed below. If amount is collected, enter in pay. If amount is not collected, the amount will be debited in the respective person's account like fee, salary. Click Save. The operation will be completed successfully. Click Print Receipt in case of printed receipt required. To undertake stock draw, click School Store. Click Store Stock Draw. Select or enter a date of draw. Select or enter 2. Select item. Enter the quantity. Click the green plus button. Enter the remarks if any. Click Save. The operation will be completed successfully. These are the general steps to undertake stock sales and stock draw in store in software.